Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is July 16th, 2012. Me and Pepper are back up here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, and we're running some more old motors. This one here is a 1955 Johnson 5.5 horse. For some reason I just can't seem to stay away from these ones. I just picked this one up this past weekend on Saturday at one of the local AMCI meets. Just tuned it up today and we're out giving it a try. So anyway, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. Wide open. There's the mid-range. Bring her down to an idle here. Turned out well. So yeah, I just put a new water pump in it, cleaned the carburetor, and changed the oil in the gear case, put a set of coils in it, cleaned and adjusted the points. I should be ready to go. See, it's pumping plenty of water. There's reverse. Okay, that'll do it on this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.